Okay, in the previous episode, we managed to build the foundation of our core banking system, where we set up our PostgreSQL database and we designed the banking database, created the realistic banking data, and we have loaded them into our Postgres database. As you can see, now we have these banking data that we are going to use to implement this solution of the banking analytics platform. So now this section of the operation database, we can consider it as done, but our goal is much bigger than storing those information in our PostgreSQL database. So now we are going to build the complete modern banking analytics platform, where our next step is to work on the Amazon S3 data lake, where we are going to build the different data lakes on the AWS so that we can use them to analyze our data, process them, and use them to be visualized on the QuickSight dashboards. So our first step is to come here. Hope everyone should be having an AWS account, as it is in the prerequisite of our course here. So if you don't have one, I have created another video of how you can create your first account on the AWS. I will quickly pin it so that you can go ahead and watch it, but it is also very simple steps. You can do it and come back and proceed the whole process. So here we go on the S3, and we are going to create a bucket, another bucket here. So let's proceed and create a bucket. So we should have a unique name for our bucket. So let me call it the banking data lake 2026-08, for example. And here for the object ownership, we keep it as recommended, and we have to ensure that we block all public access, because these are the banking informations. Those could not be accessed publicly. So it is very essential part to block all public access here. So we can disable bucket versioning for now. Whether we need it later, we'll come back and do some modifications, but we don't need it here. So once we are done, we should ensure that the region here we are currently using will be always using throughout the whole video that we are implementing now. So the next part is that the creating this bucket should be created now, but it will not be the only option here, because we will go ahead and create some data lakes there in this bucket that we just created, so that we can go and have the grouping of our data into different sections. So we are going to perform that action in the next part of our video.